All right, it is January 21st, and it is 24 degrees outside. So I want to take a quick jaunt down here to the beehives and make sure that the heaters are working the way that they're supposed to. I suspect they're going to be having a hard time keeping up because it is very cold this morning. But let's have a look. Okay, this one, it's hard to see with the light from the camera, but it is 57 degrees in that hive. And 58 in that one. Now I know the flowhive, it does a very good job at retaining heat. It's very dark, so I'm not going to get up there and take a look at it because I would hate to trip over the wire and knock the beehive down on myself and get stung like 1,000 times. However, I'm pretty confident that the flowhive and its copy right here are probably about 65 degrees. They do a really good job at holding in the heat. But I'll say this, the heaters are working. And I'll bet those bees are very, very happy. All right. Oh, you can even see my breath. Very cold out here, very cold. Just 2 weeks ago it was 65 degrees. And now here we are, 24.